The vision is finally weightless. Sparkles, welcome to the breathtaking reveal of our Luminous Rise front sanctuary. We've spent the week perfecting the structural logic of our entrance beds and building the geometric skeleton of our vertical systems. But today, the logic fades into the background to make room for the soul. We are performing the final act of material alchemy, turning a static, uninspired front yard into a cinematic, living landscape. We've used shadow architecture to erase the boundaries of the driveway and warm LED curation to create a 5-star resort feel the moment you step off the sidewalk. If you're ready to see how light and structure create a portal to peace, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Atmospheric Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is the emotional payoff. In 2026, the ultimate luxury isn't just what your neighbors see. It's the frequency you step into the second you arrive home. We've taken our sustainable luxury builds, from the humble Dollar Tree stackable planters to our reclaimed stumpery corners, and layered them with a golden, ambient glow. Today, we aren't just looking at a front garden. We are stepping into a mood. Let's step into the alchemy. Material alchemy, the final reveal of the luminous portal, front garden. 1. The philosophy of the luminous portal. In the world of Beki Decor, your front entrance is not a pass-through space. It is a luminous portal. This is where the transition happens, from the noise of the world to the silence of the sanctuary. Most people treat their front yard as a chore, something to mow and maintain. But today, we celebrate it as an invitation. A front garden without atmospheric curation is just curb appeal. With it, it becomes a breathtaking revelation. We believe that every entrance should possess tactile integrity. By engineering front entrance flower beds that focus on depth and rhythm, we aren't just decorating a house, we are curating an experience. In 2026, we don't build walls to hide, we build beauty to welcome. The luminous portal is the physical manifestation of your inner expansion, greeting you with the energy of infinite volume every single evening. Two. The vertical payoff, the stackable masterpiece. Let's look at the final result of our vertical alchemy. Remember those Dollar Tree stackable planters from Thursday? Look at them now. By layering them with organic fertilizers and high-density textures, they have become architectural anchors on our porch. They don't look like budget plastic anymore. They look like living sculptures of sustainable luxury. This is the Tower of Vitality, in full bloom. We've used vegetables for container gardening to prove that you don't need an acre to be productive. The structural logic here is simple. Grow up, not out. The cascading herbs and strawberries create a living curtain that provides privacy and nourishment. It's a testament to mindful creation, taking the most affordable materials and elevating them through the lens of a senior designer. This vertical system is a light engine of its own, bringing fresh, vibrant energy right to your fingertips. 3. Shadow architecture. Engineering curb appeal. As the sun sets, the structural logic of our flower beds takes on a new form through shadow architecture. Most front yards are either pitch black or blinded by harsh security lights. We've chosen luminous integrity. By hiding warm LED uplights behind our structural shrubs and within our easy lawn edging, we've erased the flatness of the yard. Notice how the light hits the flower beds in front of the house. It creates a rhythmic play of light and leaf that makes the entrance feel deep and mysterious. This is spatial expansion in the dark. The shadows cast by our geometric skeleton create patterns on the driveway, turning a functional surface into a gallery of light. When your home glows with 2700K warmth, it signals to your nervous system that you are safe, you are home, and you are surrounded by infinite volume. Four. The Stumpery Secret. A woodland revelation. Step into the corner, the space that used to be a forgotten shadow. This is the Stumpery revelation. By using reclaimed logs, moss, and shade-loving ferns, we've created an architectural feature out of the imperfect. This is material alchemy at its most grounded. The structural logic here was to embrace the shade rather than fight it. We've tucked tiny, low-voltage, firefly lights among the roots to create a luminous woodland feature. It adds a layer of quiet luxury that you wouldn't expect in a front garden. It's an eye-catching focal point that stops passers-by and invites them to look closer. It proves that even the most difficult corner of your property can become a breathtaking sanctuary when you honor the natural forms of the earth. Five. The styled entrance. Alchemy of the handshake. Your front door is the handshake of your home. We've styled this front entrance garden to feel like an embrace. We've paired our raised garden bed layouts with minimalist seating and tactile textiles. The transition from the flower bed to the porch is seamless, guided by the structural logic of our modern walkway. We've used beautiful spring centerpieces on the small bistro table, using cuttings from our own garden. This is the integrated life, where the outdoors feeds the indoors. The luminous integrity of the space makes the entrance feel like a room without a ceiling. It's an inspired outdoor area that breathes with you. By curating this space with senior designer intent, you've turned a house into a destination. Every visitor, every delivery, and every return home is now a cinematic experience. Six. The final revelation. Engineering first impressions. At the end of this week-long journey, we've learned that the front of your home is the most powerful canvas for material alchemy. From the sidewalk to the threshold, every inch has been touched by structural logic and atmospheric curation. You have reclaimed your curb appeal from the mundane. You've taken budget, planters, and engineered them into breathtaking art. You've taken a flat garden bed and given it dimensional integrity. Luxury is the peace you feel when you stand back and see your home glowing with intention. You've mastered the entrance revelation, And in doing so, you've discovered that your home has infinite volume the moment you arrive at the curb. You are the engineer of your own first impression. And today, that impression is one of sustainable luxury and profound peace. Thank you for joining me for this grand revelation. My prayer for you this Sunday is that you stop seeing your front yard as a barrier and start seeing it as a luminous portal to your sanctuary. Whether you are planting a single flower bed or stacking your first vertical tower, remember that structural logic is the key to your home's soul. If you've transformed your entrance this week, tell me about it in the comments. I love seeing your inspired handshakes. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next Tuesday to begin our next act of material alchemy. Stay grounded in the light. Remember, your home is a living reflection of your first impression. Don't be afraid to curate your shadows, to define your own lines, and to build an inspired entrance that breathes with you. Use your hands, honor the soil, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.